My journey into yoga has started many years ago, almost 20 years ago. But you see, back then, social media weren't that much, so I wasn't able to hear about Mahakumbh. So this time is my first time. First time I have the opportunity, thanks to my husband, and probably some good karma I have created in the past. And I had this experience for the very first time. I have to say that I come from a country that is, let's put it this way, the amount of people that are here today are 5 times the country I come from. So it's like an immense amount of people being here, but at the same time it's so festive, it's so colorful, it's so blissful to be here. And the security and all the arrangements that have been made are amazing. So it's a very special, very unique experience. Tvameva mata cha pita tvameva tvameva bandhushcha sakha tvameva tvameva vidya dravinam tvameva tvameva sarvam mama deva deva.
I've come here to Prayagraj in the auspicious occasion of Mahakumbh to take the Amrit Snan today. I've come here with my wife. She's from Greece. It's very amazing to be here. We just witnessed the procession of the Naga Sannyasis. There's nothing like that which can be compared to anything in the world. There's nothing. I mean, I've lived on 3 continents. I can tell you there's nothing which comes even close to it. Besides that, we already took the Amrit Snan, which was a divine feeling on its own. It's really magical, you know. You can call it infinity, the experience of infinity. That is something that comes closest to explaining how the Amrit Snan feels like. I can think about it. I can still feel goosebumps. I can visualize myself being there. It was one of the most wonderful experiences of life, and these are moments which kind of stay with you forever. I did this for a single day in 2013, changed my life completely, absolutely. And now I've come here. I intend to stay here for at least 30 days. Our students from Greece, from Bulgaria, from Spain, from Mexico, and a couple of other countries are coming as well to do their meditation, their yoga practices, and Amrit Snan as well along with us. That's how do you express this? I mean, you just witness yourself the procession of the Naga Sannyasis, you know, and even though you wanted to take pictures, your hands folded immediately, automatically on your own, you know. That's the kind of people who are looking this, who are watching this, might not be able to experience this. We can't explain this to them. So please, my request to everyone, 29th, Moni Amavasya Snan is still there. You can come. The next one, 3rd is there. You can still come. Arrangements are magical. It's very beautiful. Everything works very well. You can ask my wife a little bit as well. Har Har Mahadev.